Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you this awesome ENDLIN iPhone case. Y'all, this ENDLIN iPhone 11 case is so cool. I love to know that it is definitely protecting my son's phone. He saw it and immediately had to have it because the way it looks, but I had to do a little research and realized that it's going to protect his phone. It has a little bit of a raised lip, so it's going to protect the front of his phone, but also stay like a nice slim profile so that he's able to throw it in his pocket. I like that it has just a little bit of a flexibility, but it is rigid enough that it's going to protect. And once that phone is in there, you see that all the cutouts are precise. You don't have any issues with the camera cutout, any of your volume buttons, your charging port, all of that is definitely precise. Well, I love it for that. He loves it for that beautiful wood and leather look. So I love this ENDLIN iPhone case because it is keeping my son's phone nice and safe and secure in there, but he loves it because, as he says, it looks cool. So either way, whether you want cool or functional, this ENDLIN iPhone case is definitely the one for you. And that's my point of view.